Full name is James McLaughlin, and I'm from the UK, from Northern Ireland. And I studied the LLM, the Masters in International Law. And I came from that not directly as a student. I'd been working for about 10 years as a lawyer in private practice. And part of the reason to do the Masters was because I was kind of refocusing my career onto matters of international law, which is why I wanted to come back and study. And I was able to do that, thankfully, by still working on a consultancy basis for the legal practice whilst also studying. So I was kind of doing the two at the same time. I would say the highlights, especially doing a master's like international law, it's very broad, whereas there are other types of, there's specific parts of international law that you can do a specific master's in, so whether it's human rights, climate change, or economic law, whereas I thought the strength of the broad international program was that you can pick bits of those other specific programs, and which I think was really good for me because it kept it very broad. And then ultimately I did end up specializing in international economic law, but at least I had the benefit of this course of starting from a clean slate, which was really good. And tending to kind of complement that, I would say it was brilliant having fellow students from all over the world, because the classmates are so international, and you definitely, a lot of thoughts were challenged, and maybe like assumptions that I maybe had that I didn't realize I had. So that was really helpful. And some of the tutors were amazing. So I got a lot of support, in particular from Ana Maria Daza Vargas, who was an incredible kind of mentor and support, and helped me guide my way through the course and what I want to do. And she ultimately helped me get onto a research program through the University of Copenhagen, and I was the recipient of a scholarship from the Edinburgh University. So she helped me apply for that, and she was my reference. So that was really good. The city is also a huge advantage, and the quality of the teaching and the quality of the students that you're working alongside, because I learned so much from my fellow classmates as well. So I think I would recommend it all for those reasons. Every day that you walk from home, wherever you're based, to the university, you always kind of stop. Well, I always did. Stopped and had to take a picture, because no matter what way the light caught it or something, like the buildings always look very beautiful and very different. And also I think the size of it, and always been able to see like the sea, I think is a really unique setting for the city. Well, I've already gone back into a new job, which is in private practice again, and in matters of international law, so it is directly relevant. But in the longer term, I would like to use the Masters not necessarily in a law firm role, but maybe in using what I've done, but maybe in a policy role, or even academia. I'm thinking about doing more study, actually. So it's definitely opened my horizons.